Hello, sir. Let me introduce myself first. My name is Sabrina.M.J.student with student number 23107320036. And in this reading report 4, I'm gonna explain my understanding in key focus that are morphological analysis using the tree diagram. Before I'm gonna explain the tree diagram, we have to put our mind on the point where we saw earlier or understand the earlier topic that such as morphemes in hierarchical structure of words. Morphemes in structure of words are added in fixed order. And in order to affirm this, we have to reflect the hierarchical structure of the word itself. What I mean by this is the words have their structure. The words have their own structure because a word is not a simple sentence or simple sequence morphemes. Each word has an internal structure because the words have their internal and external structure. But in internal structure, I'm gonna give example like the word unsystematic. Unsystematic is composed of three morphemes. There are root morphemes, stem morphemes, and also derivational morphemes. And from this example, we have the background understanding that in order to represent the hierarchical organization of word in linguistics, we have to use a tree diagram. What the tree diagram is, to put in simple mind, I'm gonna give an example. For example, like I have said before, the word is unsystematically. The word un is an adjective, and the below adjective un, there are nouns such as system in the word unsystematic. And in the last part, there are ethic. Ethic itself is an adjective in the word. This tree represents the application of two morphological rules. I'm gonna explain the two morphological. There are number one is non. Non plus ethic is an adjective. And also the un in unsystematically plus adjective is an adjective itself. In the tree diagram, we have to analysis. In order to analysis using this tree diagram, we have to follow the rule. There are two rules in analysis using this tree diagram. Rule number one is attach the derivational morphemes or derivational suffix such as ethic to the root of noun. With these two, we have to forming an adjective. And the rule number ones are text the adjective itself and form by rule number one. The two rules attach the derivational prefix an and also the derivational prefix ethic. So to sum up my understanding, we must know that the word itself is a key point in analysis. Is the key point in analysis morphological using tree diagram. The key point are we must know that the word rather complex or not. It is what we have to understanding before to analysis the tree diagram. Because the word follow the morphological rules of the language itself. So in the in the other hand, a very simple words can also be ungrammatical by taking them to the tree diagram, but it not based on the sequence or their sentence. So we have to take a look the word, whether it is complex or rather it is look very simple, but we have to understand the grammatical of the morphological rules, because the morphological analysis based on tree diagram have the understanding on structure of the word itself. I think that's all what I get in the reading report for about key focus in morphological analysis using the tree diagram in morphology and syntax.